Hello and welcome to ecoHaus. My name's Craig and you join me in Hampshire at this lovely new build project where we're carrying out a pre-site survey with Oliver today, and we'll be fitting the windows and doors in a couple of weeks' time. Let's take a look around. So what is a pre-site? On a lot of projects that we carry out, we've never actually been to a site. Most of our orders are from plan with an architect or with a builder. So we actually don't know what is on site. So every visit we do, every new build project that we do, we send Oliver or one of our pre-site managers to site to carry out a pre-site visit. Now on that visit, we'll be checking things like the opening sizes to make sure that they've been built as we agreed. Threshold drawings and the threshold detail for your sliding doors, they're exactly as they need to be. We'll be checking things like scaffold. Is it in the way? Is it going to work when we come to site? Access for lorries. Lots of details such as that to ensure that when our installers come to site in a couple of weeks' time, everything runs as smoothly as possible for you, our client, when we get to site.